Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reduce noise in DaVinci Resolve. First, navigate to the color page and locate the noise reduction panel. You'll typically find two main types of noise: luminance, which appears as grain, and chrominance, which manifests as colored speckles. Understanding these types is crucial for effective reduction. We'll start by applying some initial settings to get a clean base for our footage, aiming for a subtle yet impactful improvement. To tackle luminance noise, which looks like film grain, adjust the luminance threshold to target the brightness variations. Then, use luminance amount to control the intensity of the reduction, starting with a value around 10 to 15. Fine-tune spatial threshold to affect noise across 1 or 2 pixels, and temporal threshold to smooth it over several frames, ensuring a natural, clean image without losing detail. For chrominance noise, which appears as distracting colored speckles, adjust the chrominance threshold to isolate these color variations. Then, use chrominance amount to control how aggressively the color noise is removed, often starting with a value between 20 and 30. Applying temporal threshold here helps smooth out color inconsistencies across multiple frames, resulting in a much cleaner and more professional-looking video without desaturating your footage. For best results, apply noise reduction early in your node tree, ideally as one of your first corrections. Consider using power windows to selectively apply noise reduction to specific areas, like a noisy background, leaving important details untouched. Always render a small section of your footage to preview the effect before committing to a final export. Remember, avoid overapplying noise reduction. A subtle touch is often more effective than an aggressive one, preserving crucial image detail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.